Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The equilibrium constant cake for cyanohydrin formation, nucleophilic addition of HCN to a carbonyl compound, depends on the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon and the steric accessibility of the carbonyl group. A more electrophilic and less sterically hindered carbonyl carbon gives a higher cake, reaction favors product more. Moving on to the next step. A. PHCHO, benzaldehyde, aldehyde, 1H and 1 pH group on carbonyl carbon. B. CH3, CO C2H5, methyl ethyl ketone butuvan, ketone, to alkyl groups, moderate steric hindrance. C. pH, CO CH3, acetophenone, ketone, 1 pH and 1 CH3, pH conjugates with C is equal to O, reducing electrophilicity and provides steric hindrance. D. CH3, CHO, acetaldehyde, aldehyde, 1H and 1 CH3, least sterically hindered, no conjugation, reducing carbonyl electrophilicity. Moving on to the next step. Aldehydes are more reactive than ketones toward nucleophilic addition because I. Less steric hindrance, 1H instead of 2 alkyl aryl groups, and 2. Less electron donation to carbonyl carbon. Among aldehydes, acetaldehyde, D, has only a methyl group, benzaldehyde, A, has a phenyl group that conjugates with C is equal to O, resonance donation reduces electrophilicity. So Da. Among ketones, methyl ethyl ketone, B, has 2 alkyl groups, electron donating but less than aryl, less steric than aryl, acetophenone, C, has a phenyl group conjugated with C is equal to O, reducing electrophilicity significantly plus more steric bulk. So BC. Overall ranking: D. Acetaldehyde, least hindered aldehyde, A. Benzaldehyde, aldehyde but pH conjugation, B. Dialkyl ketone, more hindered, C. Acetophenone, aryl ketone with conjugation reducing electrophilicity most among ketones. And for the final step. Option A, B, C, D, incorrect because aldehydes are more reactive than ketones, so D and A should rank above B and C. Option C, D, B, A, C, incorrect because benzaldehyde, A, is an aldehyde and should be more reactive than methyl ethyl ketone, B, a ketone. Option D, DACD, contains a typo repeat and is clearly incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.